today's demonstration of how to make a temporary restoration using a PVS registration of the tooth when the patient enters the office. I'm Dr. Jennifer Bell, and we're going to walk through this step by step. So the next time you have the opportunity to fabricate a temporary for a crown preparation in your office, you'll feel comfortable with this technique. Now we're going to start today's procedure with working on tooth number 3. By the magic of the camera, we'll be able to do a quick preparation for a crown. Here's our prepared tooth. But the first thing we're going to do when the patient walks in is to capture a pre-op impression of the tooth we're going to work on. Now, if the tooth has had a broken down segment and you need to add some additional composite to reshape the tooth, you can certainly do that. You can also just take the PVS impression of the tooth as is and then trim and modify your tray impression as you need to remove that dent into the broken part of the tooth. So you have a couple ways that you can modify your tooth or modify the impression so that you can get a better working temporary. For this purpose, we have a nice tooth that walked in, so we're going to be able to capture it as is. Now we're going to be using a PVS material. This is a bite registration material called Status Blue. It's a product by DMG. Think of it as a medium body type PVS, bite registration material. It's not going to set as fast as some of the other fast set bite registration materials on the market, but what you're going to get in exchange for that is a much more accurate representation of the tooth. And if you've made enough of these temporaries with the quick set materials, you'll know that you lose a fair amount of accuracy and you end up having to modify the temp a fair amount. So the hope is that in taking a little extra time during the impression procedure that we will get a more accurate temporary without a lot of fuss. So we're going to go ahead and extrude the material into the tray, keeping the tip buried into material so we don't introduce a ton of voids. You don't have to fill the entire quadrant tray or triple tray up. You just need enough material for a positive seat on the tooth and to allow that material to set in place.